Dilip was my partner when I got the fastest century.
Really?
In Chennai.
94.
I was 92.
92.
With 2 overs to go.
Right.
First ball from Charlie Griffith, I hooked. And Rohan Kanhai, at deep mid-wicket, dived full length and stopped to third and 4. The ball ricocheted from his hands, and we could have easily got 2 runs. But Dilip, his Marathi, said, "Nako, nako, nako." So he played the rest of 5 balls. I'm not holding Dilip responsible for it. Last over, Charlie, Wes Hall or something. Extra cover drive. Clive Lloyd, my best friend later, full length dive from him, and he was 6'7". And again the ball ricocheted. We could have easily got 2 runs.
2 runs. But
What did Dilip say?
Nako, nako.
Nako, nako, nako. Is that a Goan word or Maharashtrian word?
It's a Marathi word.
Marathi word, yeah.
So
I'm only joking. I'm saying it in jest because Dilip is a very dear friend. I'm not saying that he did it intentionally. A lot of people have suggested that, but I don't like to think that at all.
No.
Dilip was a teammate
He was a teammate.
and a wonderful, wonderful person.
And the way he has batted in the West
So I was
Indies.
94 before lunch, and Pataudi and all, when I got lunch, I said, "Farokh, you easily got 100, yeah, the way you were going."
And you were in
I
the
said,
record
"Chodo,
book."
yeah, I'm keen. I'm still not out.
Exactly.
After all the hassle and all the fast bowling and bounces and beamers, Lance Gibbs comes on first over after lunch. One of the greatest
Off
off
spinners,
spinners. And
Best
the
off.
first ball of him, I hit him straight for 6. It cleared the Chepauk Stadium.
Okay.
Probably finish up in some auto rickshaw or tanga. And the ball is still traveling, I think. They never found the ball. But that's how I got my 100.